Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on Infinix Note 30. And to start, let's go with a very useful command when you leave your phone in a room and you can't find it. So it happens to everybody, and to find it is quite easy. So you need to, before that, you need to configure your Google Assistant for the lock screen, and also make sure that you have a volume up on your phone so that you can actually hear him. Now when you say to "Hey Google, where are you?"
I live here with you.
It will make a sound, and that way it will be easy to identify where you left your phone. You can also tell him to play some music, and he will also play a music, and that's even better. Next one is to count calories, so you can actually count calories in any food you're about to eat, and he will give you a prompt on it. So, "Hey Google, how much calories in a Big Mac?"
There are 257 calories in 100 grams of McDonald's Big Mac.
And yep, that's very useful. And next thing is when you're traveling a lot and want to translate something, you can use Google Translate with a Google Assistant, and it works like this. "Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger."
In Polish, that's
Zjadłem burgera.
He will speak it out loudly, and that's very nice because you can easily translate anything. Next one is to make a call, so you can call basically anyone from your contacts by just saying, "Hey Google, call mom."
all right.
And replace mom with anyone from your contact list, and he'll make a call. Next one is to send a message, so you can tell Google to send a message, and then what's inside the message, and then say who will receive it. So, "Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger."
Got it. What's your...
And again, replace mom with anyone from your contacts. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.